Hello friends, it is Running Kimono, and in today's video we're going to talk about the best scenarios over at the Dollar General to use this 5 off of 20. And the biggest savings will happen on Saturday, January the 2nd, when you compare these two together. At the very least, go into your Dollar General digital coupons folder and load this 5 off of 20. It is a gift. A couple ground rules for you guys is that on Saturday, January the 2nd, you will have the biggest savings where the 5 off of 25 and the 5 off of 20 will stack. Use your Dollar General app to scan merchandise to make sure that 5 off of 20 is attaching. At the very least, so you know you're grabbing the right items, because in the gain line, they have a whole bunch of different scents or flavors or whatever you call it, and some of them do not attach as they might not be programmed in. Really pay attention to the math that in your basket, you're grabbing at least $20 of gain merchandise and then $5 of whatever you want, or you can get like a basket of $25 of merch. Let's not forget these are Michigan prices. I'm up here in Michigan, and any really big issue you might have at checkout where, things might end up in a big ball of flames, or just, the internet cuts out, or God knows what. There's always a million things that happen sometimes over at the Dollar General. You can always void your transaction. Don't be shy to void it if you're paying like almost full price for this, or if something really goofy happens. Don't be shy to void the transaction. So I know a lot of you will say this doesn't work, this is fiction, you're making stuff up. To show you the last time that this 5 off of 20 rolled around and I could really get this basket to like $6, and I actually have a matchup for a $6 basket in this video. Like, you see it, guys. Proof is in that receipt. That's a real deal. And when it's $6 for $25 of merchandise, that's when we go really hard, because that's when you will have the biggest savings. So we have the weekend of the we have the weekend of the 2nd, and then also the weekend of the 9th to do these deals. So if you're really busy on the 2nd of January, I get it, but at the very least, load this digital coupon so you can get some deal working for you. And if you want to follow me over on Instagram, that's my name. Go and give me a follow. Anything that goofy that might happen, I will be posting it here on YouTube on the community tab, and then also on my Instagram if you want to go follow me over there. Okay, so deal number one, and this is 100% digital, so anyone can do it as long as you have a Dollar General account. You're going to need the 5 off of 20 and the 5 off of 25, both of these digital coupons loaded. In the store, in the air care aisle, we're looking for this double pack of the Febreze with the Gain additive. So you're looking very carefully for the Gain logo on this package of plugs. It is one double pack. Usually the digital coupon that they provide this time of the year is for the single packs, but this one is a one-off, a double pack. And as you can see, that's the thing. So you only need to grab one of these. I know that's kind of confusing and stuff, but this is what we're doing. And this is the digital coupon, guys, for this deal. And it's a 5 off of 1. So they've kind of just changed the rules on us a little bit. So really pay attention to this. And really, the devil is in the details. Because initially when I saw this, I thought it was a 5 off of 2 yesterday. And then I read it like 3 times and I'm like, oh, that's a 5 off of 1. Okay, and the next thing that we're going to grab is one of these Gain Flings. It's a 51 count for $13.50. And as you can see, there's a $3 digital. That $3 digital is for the flings only. Please pay attention to that. Like, they change things around very subtly for this one. This is the $3. As you can see, it's for the flings only. So this is the one that you need loaded. So 51 count. And then we're also going to grab a Crest toothpaste for $3. So the fancier one. This is the one that we're going to grab. So as you can see, there's a $2 digital coupon that's attaching. So just to show you guys really quickly, this is the $2 coupon that's attaching with. Okay, so let's look at the math for this little scenario. And this is a really great scenario. So grabbing one Febreze Gain double pack with the Gain logo on it for $9.50. You'll find that in the regular air care aisle. One of the Gain Flings 51 count for $13.50, and then one Crest toothpaste for $3. That right there is a total of $26. So the cashier scans the last item. Immediately after that, that's when I would punch in my phone number. 5 off of 25 and 5 off of 20 are coming off, which are your Dollar General boosters, plus $10 of digital manufacturers. 5 for Febreze, 3 for Gain Flings, and then 2 for Crest. That's how I'm getting those numbers. So you're left with paying $6 out of pocket plus your tax, essentially shaking each item out to $2 each. Now, if you want to do this deal before Saturday the 2nd, it would be $11 for the 3 items, as you will only be working with one booster, which is the 5 off of 20. Okay, the next deal that we have again is 100% digital. How lucky are you? So we have the 5 off of 25 and then the 5 off of 20. And that 5 off of 20 is really a gift. Again, we're going to grab one of these, which is the Gain Fling 51 count. And to answer a really quick question, all digital coupons and boosters are of a one-time use, so you can only do these deals once per store card. Okay, so as you can see, we have that $3 coupon, and this is from the 22nd to the 2nd, and then we need this digital coupon loaded. So pay attention, scan it, make sure you're grabbing the right one that's attaching with this $3 coupon. And then we're going to grab one of these 150 ounces of the detergent. And this guy is also $13.50 this week. It's usually like $13.95. I guess that stuff is like liquid gold. As you can see from the tag in the store, $13.50. And only a $2 coupon is attaching to this one, not the $3. So please pay attention. And it is, in fact, this digital coupon that's affixing to it. So you really have to pay the best attention in the store. So we're grabbing one of 51 count and then one massive thing of the detergent. So those 2 items. So that will amount to $27. So it's $13.50 times 2. That's how I'm getting the math. So after the cashier scans my last detergent, I will punch in my phone number. 5 off of 25 and 5 off of 20 Dollar General digital coupons are coming off, along with the $5 digital manufacturers. That is a 3 for the flings and a 2 for that big detergent. So I'm left with paying $12 out of pocket, shaking out each item to $6 each. Okay, so deal number 3 again is 100% digital. And you're going to need your 2 cornerstones, which is the 5 off of 25 and the 5 off of 20. So please make sure you have both of these boosters loaded. Off of this bingo chart, we're going to grab any item you wish for $6.95. So whatever your fancy is, but it has to be a product at $6.95 and that $2 digital coupon is attaching. Well, I'm going to go with this guy because I always think it's a great purchase. This massive container of the Gain fabric softener. And as you can see, the $2 coupon is in fact attaching to said product. So whichever one off that chart that's attaching with this coupon. We're also grabbing one of these 51 count of the flings for $13.50. We have our handy dandy $3 digital coupon that's attaching. That coupon expires on Saturday, so definitely use it or lose it. And then we're grabbing Mr. Friendly, which is this double pack, only one. And then this $5 coupon is attaching. Okay, guys, let's look at the math. One of the Gain fabric softeners for $6.95. One Gain Fling 51 count for $13.50. One Febreze with Gain, that double pack for $9.50. The total for this is $29.95. After the cashier scans out last item, I punch in my phone number. 5 off of 25 and 5 off of 20 Dollar General digital coupons or boosters are coming off, along with $10 of digital manufacturers, the 2 for the fabric softener, the 3 for the flings, and then a 5 for that Febreze double pack. You're left with paying $9.95 for the 3 items, shaking it out to $3.11 per product. Okay, so the final deal that we have is with paper coupons, and we're going to need our 2 cornerstones, which is the 5 off of 25 and the 5 off of 20. So these 2 you need loaded. Off of this bingo chart, grab 3 items, whichever ones you want. So pick whatever you'd like. I think one of them has to be a fabric softener product, though, because we're using a coupons.com app coupon with. So hopefully you can follow my lead. I'm friggin' plain here, guys. I would go with 3 of these because I think this is such a great value if you love fabric softener or liquid fabric softener, and this stuff is really great. So as you could see, if you look at the tag, $6.95, $2 digital, making it $4.95. We're going to need this guy from the Retail Me Not of December the 13th if you might have received that insert and you have one of these. Alternatively, I think you could print one on PNG Good every day, so you might want to go to that site and see what they might have. And over on your app, you're going to also need this $2 coupon loaded digitally. And then over on coupons.com, we have a $2 for a fabric softener product. So please make sure you activate this. And yes, you can in fact use this over at the Dollar General. And then to round our basket off to make it more than 25, we're going to grab 2 of the Tampax Radiant, the super absorbent 14 count. So that would be $8 because we're grabbing 2 of these boxes. And then we have this 3 off of 2 digital coupon. We're going to load it. Please make sure too that you scan your tampons, because for whatever reason, I think the regular ones weren't working the last go around of this with this goofy large coupon. So you might have to get like super or whichever one, but there's a whole bunch of different types of tampons and some of them just don't attach. Alternatively, you could also get the pads because I think they're the same price point and they're the always pads. Okay, so looking at the math for this deal, 3 of the Gain fabric softeners at $6.95 is $20.85. So we've made our $20 cap there to use the 5 off of 20. And then 2 of the Tampax at $4 a pop is $8. So the total for your basket here is $28.85. You will hand over one $2 coupon from the Retail Me Not of December the 13th, or an internet printable if you might be able to print one or find one. And then after that coupon is scanned, you punch in your phone number. 5 off of 25, 5 off of 20 Dollar General coupons are coming off, along with $5 of digital manufacturers. We have a 2 for the fabric softener and then a 3 off of 2 for the Tampax. So you're left with paying $11.85 out of pocket. Then you're going to make a $2 submission to the coupons.com app. The final price point for this basket is $9.85 for the 5 items, or $1.97 per product. That is called not too shabby. As always, guys, thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye, guys.